All right, welcome in, guys. I want to go over a little daily recap here for February 12th, and we are on NAS. So we got this massive dump at 8:30 in the morning as soon as that news came out on CPI. And what did it do? It created a massive imbalance here, and a bearish pennant started to form with the low being pre-market low and this trend line following these spots. So basically the best order of action here, the best execution, would have been the breakout of this pennant, right? Once we see this, we get two shots at this. We get the breakout and close above, and then we also got a retest of the top of that pennant and a trend line, right? So we get this breakout, you take this or the retest, and your stop loss is below the wicks or simply below both of the trend lines, right? So depending on how conservative or aggressive you wanted to get, these were your two options. You get a massive pump up, could be trimming, moving stops, and then once we start setting, higher lows, our stop loss moves below the higher lows, and now we're using this trend line as both a safety line and a re-entry line if you did not get in here. We had this entry here from the trend line, this entry here, and this entry here. And finally, after we move our stop loss up all day, making lower highs, or higher lows, and then we finally break this trend line. This signaled the exit to get out. And it really didn't even break this lower high, so you could still be in this trade if you weren't using the trend line as your exit. But that is a great example of how you get in. It filled this entire gap from this dump, and it was a perfectly managed entry and hold, guys. So until next time, take care.